Hello and welcome everyone. It's been a while since I made up a video, but we just got a bunch of freezing rain and freezing temperatures, and everything is super icy. I mean, that's just grass. Look at how much ice has accumulated on them. Now I know it's not particularly a good idea to walk into there, but right where I'm going to be walking, it's not very much that's going to be in, risk. But I wanted to show you guys around a bit and just kind of document some of the beauty that has happened, because I mean, to be honest, come on. This is absolutely gorgeous. This is gorgeous. Having just ice on everything. We take for granted sometimes certain things. You know? Sometimes we don't look at the beauty around us, and we look right over top of it. And we need to be looking at it a little bit more. Now I'm going to be keeping my eyes up, because obviously I don't want to be skewered by something that falls. And I want to have some time to get away from it. I did this last year, but I wasn't able to get the film. I just got some pictures and that kind of stuff, but actually no, it was like 3 or 4 years ago, wasn't it? Still, it's quite beautiful out here. Ice is falling off the trees like crazy. Pretty amazing. Oh. Actually, no, I think that might be just hail. Maybe. And a tree just snapped over there. I just heard something snap down there. That's alright though. Come on, Leroy. We're going back out of the danger zone. Come on. Come on, cat. Quite gorgeous, though. You need to take for granted more beauty. Right now, the power is completely out in our house because the storm and all the ice on the power lines probably either broke a line or just is disrupting it enough where it won't get there. I don't know. But currently we don't have any power in the house. It just barely went out. We got a wood stove, so we're warm and everything. It'll be alright. And plus, by the time you see this uploaded, I'm gonna be already back on, power. I'm already gonna have power again. Oh, another tree just fell. Oh, one of my neighbors had a tree just fall somewhere down there. I just heard it go down. That's alright though.